guys, first of all, welcome to my channel. I have to clarify that no, it's not $1,000,000 house. Maybe if I lived in California or something, but I don't. I lived in Oklahoma, which is one of the states with the lowest cost of living, so there's that. I did not film it because that day it was just a hot mess. I was busy, you know, mom life, doing things. So Eric, like the hero he is, he filmed it. So yeah. Okay guys, our new home doesn't have a 3-car garage and I'm a low-key so sad about that. And our porch was bigger. Okay, so the first thing off to the left is our laundry room, which I absolutely love because it's actually a whole room, and he's going so fast. Our closet was also so big. That was a room in itself as well. We don't really have that here. It's like half of that size. And of course we have to show you our cats. First of all, they're so cute. Anyways, here is the first room to the right. That was the smallest of the rooms, and Eric used that as his office. My daughter's room was right next to that. Then the bathroom, oh wow, he's going so fast. And then my mom's room was all the way at the end, and that was her room facing the backyard. And so the stuff that we got to choose was the kitchen backsplash, the light pendants, the countertops, I believe, the fireplace stone, and I feel like I'm missing something. But yeah, my favorite thing about our home was the kitchen. Okay, so then there is our master, and then our master bath. Guys, we hardly ever use that bathtub. And then we had a walk-in shower, which in theory it looks really nice, but when you actually use it, I did not like it because we were always cold. Even when we did put a curtain, like, it was still cold. Our toilet was in another room, and coming from being poor, I thought that was amazing. I've never experienced that in my life. And then this was our backyard. Our backyard was kind of small, super small, but to be honest, we never really went out there, so that didn't really matter. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I get a bit sad because it was a bigger home and like it had nicer finishes, but you know, when it just felt it was time for us to move. Everything was just pushing us to move away. It just felt right. And this home, like, I feel at peace, if that makes sense. It feels I'm supposed to be here, whereas my journey in Oklahoma, it was done for. Even though we're really just a stay over. I mean, I could go back anytime because it was such a pretty state. I loved the low cost of living there compared to other states. It was a vibe. Arkansas is also a vibe. Like, it's so pretty here. There's so much trees. It's still not too expensive, but I think it's more than it was over there. Hence our house being smaller, and I think it was just like the housing market. It was because of that too. But yeah, so guys, should I do a tour of this house? I also love it so much too. I like the finishes in this house, like the color scheme, I should say. But yeah, that's all for now. Bye.